These are the coolest bar stools from VASAGLE or VASAGLE. I'm not sure how to say this company's name, but they are a great company. They have some cool home furnitures. This is actually one of their tables as well. It's a bar table with real tempered glass and everything. Beautiful. But these bar stools are fantastic. They can go in any with any kind of little table like this, or maybe you have an island in your kitchen that you need to take some stools for. But the seats are super high quality. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. It comes with 2 in the pack. They were pretty easy to put together. I was able to do it myself. The only thing is that the pack came with only 4 of the smaller screws, but I needed 4 screws each for these, for the bottom part. So you'll notice a couple of silver screws in there. They came with bolts. I guess they're bolts. I have a couple silver bolts that we had on hand that it was the same thread. They're like an average size. So it was pretty easy for me to just fix that and replace that. Now it actually had an extra bolt in there, so I was able to use only 1 silver on one chair and 2 silvers on the other chair. So, but just be prepared for that when you purchase it. That the package that it comes with, it doesn't quite have enough bolts in it. So, but that's okay. It wasn't a big deal. Definitely not a deal breaker. Still fabulous. It's got this really nice little thing here for my feet, which I love. So a lot of times when I'm sitting in a chair, sitting on a bar stool, my feet are, I'm almost uncomfortable from not having somewhere to put my feet. So make sure that the silver part goes in the front. Okay. So the silver part goes in the front. Again, super easy to put together. Just throw the legs in, throw the footrest in, and then throw the seat on the top. That's it. Really simple. And they're very, very sturdy. They're real sturdy. Great for like wiggly grandsons. I have a very wiggly grandson that wiggles around and he tends to loosen bolts in furniture. So I'm always concerned about the sturdiness of it. These are very sturdy. They look super stylish. They're very clean looking. They're absolutely beautiful, and again, super easy to just put together. So once again, thank you so much for sending these to me to review, as well as the table. I absolutely love it. I love your furniture. I've been purchasing your furniture for a really long time, so I'm very excited about our partnership. Anyway, again, once again, thank you. And yeah, they are fantastic stools. Look very nice in any setting.